Hello and welcome to episode number 47 of this daily series where I'll be making a video every day about each state in the USA. My name is Jake, I make videos about places, and this is 5 fun facts you probably didn't know about the state of Washington. Washington, known as the Evergreen State, has a population of 7.6 million people and a median annual household income of $74,000. The capital city is Olympia, and the most populated city is with a population of 783,000 people. The state of Washington was named after George Washington, and it is the only state in the country that has been named after a president. All right, let's get into those 5 fun facts, starting with number 1. The largest building in the world is in the state of Washington. It is the Boeing factory in Everett, and it is by volume the largest building in the world. It is just over 472 million cubic feet. That is huge. But you know what? I guess it would be though, because they make airplanes. They make the 747, the 767, the 777, a lot of sevens. But big airplanes, they make them there. It has to be a big factory. And that is a fun fact you probably didn't know. During World War II, the company Boeing, like I talked about in the first fact, had a factory for bomber planes. And they didn't want everybody to know about this, right? So they concealed it with camouflage. They hired a set designer from Hollywood to go through and make it look on the surface like a city. The factory was just south of downtown Seattle, and it was complete with fake houses, fake trees, and even artificial sidewalks. The purpose was to hide the airplane production facilities down below from bombers that might have been up in the sky. The bass guitar was invented in Washington, specifically the city of Seattle. Seattle native Paul Tootmark developed this instrument in the early 1930s, although he didn't receive much recognition or success from it. The bass guitar became more popular and rose to a mainstream level after Fender and Fullerton made theirs in the 1950s. The world record for the most snow in one place in 1 year is Mount Baker, Washington. You may think colder parts of the globe might take the record, but no. The Mount Baker ski area actually holds the record for the 1998-1999 season, when they reported 1,140 inches of snow, which is equal to 95 feet, or 29 meters for my European viewers. That's a lot of snow! We almost went to war with Canada over a pig. Known as the Pig War, it was a confrontation between the United States and the British, who occupied Vancouver Island at the time. Now, there was a dispute over the San Juan Islands as to who it should belong to. Should it be American? Should it be British? Well, the main part of the conflict happened when an American settler shot a pig that was eating potato plants. Tip for you, if there is a disputed land, it's probably not a good idea to shoot guns on it. Probably not. But thankfully, the conflict was resolved without violence, and it all worked out. The United States was awarded the San Juan Islands, and British just lost out. The San Juan Islands are now part of Washington, which is why it's a fact on this list. Speaking of facts on the list, I have another one. That's right, as per usual, I have a bonus fact for you. I think you're going to like this one. It is illegal to shoot Bigfoot in Skamania County. According to the account, the law was put in the books at the height of the Bigfoot craze, not to protect the mythical creature, but to protect citizens from the overly enthusiastic, weapon-toting paranormal enthusiasts flocking to the area. See, I think we wouldn't need this law if Bigfoot was just a myth. He must be real. That's pretty much proof of Bigfoot's existence. Do you agree? So that is it. That is my 5 fun facts you probably didn't know about Washington. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned something. If you're from Washington, comment down below. Tell me what you thought. Did you know all these facts? Which ones did you know? Which ones didn't you know? I'm very interested to hear what you think about my video. All right, that was episode 47. There are only 3 left in this series, so I'm getting excited about completing this. Don't worry, I will definitely keep making videos afterwards. There's just going to be more and more, better and better. So subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out, and stay tuned for my later content. But until this series is over, I will be back at my usual time, 7 o'clock. Come see me again tomorrow. Later.